Yowen, what are you doing? What was that?
Run DMC.
What are you throwing up?
Run DMC.
That's Run DMC.
Run DMC for life.
You need to stop, like, you know, hanging out in gangs. You look like a hood, Yowen. Oh my goodness.
I see it.
Oh, well, I'm not taking pictures. I'm doing a video.
I see the video.
Well, you can see it when it's done. It's not done yet. Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.